caused so much damage. Got the gate up there on the right hand side. I'm not going to walk up there, but there it's starting to make another ditch there, natural ditch. And then over there, from the fence through, coming through here, it's all coming running through here, over here, and down this way. Look at this. Look what this looks like. It's a total mess. And all the sand that's washed down the driveway in the ditch down there, the ditch is full of sand all the way down, almost overflowing already. Yeah. Well guys, my next door neighbour JC, good man. He's doing what he has to do on his side. He's bringing in 19 tonne of riprap. He's going to put all along here to raise the side there and raise it up there to stop the water coming through here. And then I'll work on my side. God bless him, he's an awesome man. It's good to have good neighbours. We help each other. Wonderful. So that's riprap. I've opened the gate to my side, and then Jason's going to come and he's going to dump a whole load in this hole right over here. It's going to help tremendously this. It's got 19 tonne of it. So let's see what happens when he brings the next load here. Well guys, Casey's been bringing it with his tractor and I'm doing my own. I'm leveling it out, spreading it and flattening it out, and I think this is going to solve the problem with the water coming through this part. As I was saying, this side of the post he's going to put another load, maybe two if he can get him in there. Certainly another load. He'll put another load in there, and then another load there. Then he's going to try and see if he can get some in there without getting bogged down, because it's very muddy over there. But I'm sweating now. This is a work for a 75-year-old man to keep him fit and keep the blood flowing. That's what's happening to me. Well, folk, I must tell you, this has been really a stressful week in my life. But you know what? The Lord gives me strength, and I will overcome this. I will finish it off. I will defeat it. It's not going to defeat me. I'm not a quitter. I will never quit. As long as I've got breath in me and blood flowing through my veins, I will never quit. But I'm getting there. I've just got to spread that by hand with that little sharpshooter yellow handled deal of mine. I mean, it's a bit drier. JC will use his bucket as well to flatten it a little bit more. But as I say, it's going to do the trick. Look, I tell you what, it's overcast. It's not actually raining now. It spits a little bit, but I can tell you it's very humid and I'm actually overheating, and the mosquitoes are terrible. The mosquitoes are like little horses flying around. JC's going to bring another load and put it to the right here of the gate here along the fence here. And I'm sure that's going to do the trick. See there, if his tractor wasn't a four-wheel drive tractor, he would bog down. There's no ways he could have done this job and brought this rip-rap kissed limestone over here. It's just pure mud there. Anyway, he's going to bring another load here and see if he can get it in here without getting bogged down. This is where a lot of water comes through there. Man, you can see the water has slowed down. Just trickling through there. And it's the slightest trickle through there. Doesn't matter if it trickles through like that. As long as the soil doesn't get washed down, I can slowly trickle it out onto my trench down my driveway down there. Right on the other side of the barn. There goes my driveway going down to the right. And then I can dig out the sloot there, 20 foot there, and then add that 20 foot onto the other 20 foot there. So I have a 40 foot culvert in front of the building. Well, I must say, I thought he was going to drop another load here. But what he did was, he went and dropped another load at the end there, which is perfect there. We need it there too, to divert the water down his side of the fence down there. Guys, there's 19 ton of riprap. What JC and I'll do, probably the next time I come up here, a gate there, we'll just raise that gate. So I'll just smoothen out the riprap a little bit, that it's more even, and then we'll raise the gate up that it just closes above the riprap, and that solves the problem. Well folk, more progress on my vineyard. Lines are growing, just look at the nice growth on this one. Nice and fresh and strong. It's going to be good. It's going to be good. Look at the bird there.
Well guys, if I don't see you through the week, I'll see you through the window. Cheers y'all.